If you have a website, instead of using Linktree, direct traffic to a specific landing page on your website with your affiliate link so you can gather more information from your audience from Google Analytics. This is what her landing page looks like. Everything is beautifully written out here. This is her RockPorch app right there. Next, in addition to having a specific profile link on your website itself, I'd recommend having a gear page as well. You can see right here, gear guides, everything listed out in terms of very shoppable content. You can see just in the past 7 days, she's made about $775 for the different brands she's promoted. And you can see over here what she's sold and all that good stuff and on the date. Here is another way to beautifully lay out your products in a shoppable category in your blog. So let's just look at her workout gear. Everything is listed out beautifully and directly to her affiliate links. Here is another blog example that's tapped actually into a different type of revenue source. Whenever they talk about places they've been, they actually link to TripAdvisor. So what TripAdvisor actually does is they pay you for the traffic that you bring to their website. So if they purchase a hotel stay from you, you actually get 30% commission, which is the highest rates we currently have from a brand partner. So every click that they get, they make about $3, and then with the estimated commissions of about $1. So you see they're writing about Prudhoe Bay, Alaska. So all you got to do is go to TripAdvisor, type in Prudhoe Bay, copy, and then this will be, plan your trip. There's hotels, top hotels, plan all that good stuff. You just copy this, bring it back to your RockPorch app, and then create a commissionable link in order to get these sales. A quick tip about that is, for example, if you're posting on Instagram, right, about like your road trip, and you have like locations that you want to tag, instead of using the native Instagram tagging tool, you can actually link to TripAdvisor instead so that every single thing that you post is actually a commissionable link. Something else that Rugged Destinations has as well is a free essentials list. Basically, it's a free list to all their overlanding gear essentials packed full of their affiliate links. This freebie incentive is also like a great way to, put into your subscribe button. So you're not only saying receive new posts and updates, but also get, when you subscribe, you also get my free list, and then it also is full of your affiliate links. Here's another great example where Brooke directs people directly to her locker via a photo of her locker on her website. So if you click on that, it goes directly to her lockers page where she has everything once again beautifully laid out. Another way to do that is what Mukapa does, and she just puts her locker directly on the sidebar. In order to find that, all you got to do is click on the title, and over here you'll see the embed code. If you copy this, this is basically what you need in order to put on your blog. I also wanted to show you how to find that TripAdvisor. So if you just type trip, scroll down, click on TripAdvisor, and let's just say you're going to, someplace in Alaska. All you'll do is just copy this, Alaskan vacations, bring it back to the RockPorch app, scroll up, create a commissionable link, paste, then create. And it's not a lockerable item, so you will have to copy this and paste it on your blog directly. Other than that, if you have any other questions, feel free to email me.